testers, and we'll then open our session for Q&A. So moving on to facts. So the facts we have picked up from the latest Checkpoint survey. Checkpoint is a company, they have done a survey in June 2013, and the first fact that they have focused is on the number of devices connecting to the corporate world, and as much as 93% of the devices are connecting to the corporate world. That means mobile device penetration in the enterprise and corporate world is now is becoming big. So it's whether it's company-owned devices or personal devices, and there are now a situation where people use two devices to connect to the networks. So this is the major. Another area is when they discussed with IT managers, security managers, and according to them, 63% of the companies are not actually managing any device, business-owned information on these devices. So that's a huge, and it's a security breach. So that's another area that is like completely open. According to the kind of data that is stored, business applications, corporate information via business applications are 49%. Of course, there are other information which are equally important, like customer data, business contact data, corporate emails, confidential notes, credentials, but 49% is on business applications, and that is our focus today. How to secure our business applications, at least to make sure that all information, enterprise informations are secure. So that's the focus right now. Of course, as we all know, Android is the most security risk area because of the open source and all known facts. But iOS is 25%. Of course, Windows Mobile is because of the Windows 8, now it is 17%, and BlackBerry is 9% because of the market penetration also. And of course, the BES security and security policies are really good on BlackBerry. Another good fact, careless employees are 66%. So company-owned devices lost or stolen, or they don't care about the data, company data on the devices are high. So if we sum up all this information, we have 93% companies have mobile devices connecting to their network. We have 49% corporate informations are stored on mobile devices via business applications. 63% companies do not manage company information on mobile devices. 66% says careless employees are greater risk than the cyber criminals, and 49% cite Android as a platform, followed by iOS, WM, Windows Mobile, and DB. So we would like to again reiterate the same trends. Mobile applications have become significant business channel, number one. Number two, coverage of personal and business devices are convergence is increasing, and rapid increasing device and operating systems. We are only focusing on 4 operating systems now, but in couple of years we'll have another 4 to 5 operating systems on mobile devices, and then it's gonna be really a huge